So it's nearly done. It's not quite done yet. So I've added a few, just a few peppers. And that should do for two, easy, two. I don't know if you can actually get a full rabbits wherever you are, so, but very lucky where we are. It's a very good market. So I've added the chilli and the extra bit of sauce that we got out. And then, now if you want to make it runny, I don't like it too runny. I'll show you. It will be a lot of juice like in it. But if you want it really runny, because what you can do, you can actually take the juice out after and have it as a soup. That's if you want it really, really, you know, juicy. I'll say more liquid. But I like it less liquid like this. And it coats it better to me. It sticks to it better when it's less liquid, I think. And I've added the chilli. And we'll give it a couple of hours. And we'll see what it's like. Which should be brilliant. Okay, thank you. So with this kit, you actually get this as well. Sprinkle evenly. And I'm gonna add the rest of this when it's trickled down, because it's dead thick stuff. And I'm gonna add my bit of chilli just to give it a bit more kick, because I'm a bit of a heat freak. And then you just give it a good stirring. I'm using these liners, which are plastic. It just stops you, because I'm lazy and I don't want to clean up. And one of these spoons, so it doesn't puncture the plastic. So just needs a good stirring, leaving for a minimum of an hour. But I have got some more sauce to put in it, and we should be all right. So I've had some of the sauce, but obviously this stuff, it doesn't always stick to the, so I'm going to have to turn it upside down for an hour, and then put some more in, and then add the herbs and spices, which you don't usually get on these kits, and add one chilli of my own for give it a bit more heat. Make sure there's not, before you put the sauce in, just to make sure it's not too runny, not too much juice. I've left this overnight, so there's not too much juice in it. If there is, pour some out, which watch yourself, because these are hot, so you'll have to need some. It just gives it a better flavour to me, coats it better, I think. So I'll leave it for an hour before I do anything else. So I'm making genuine, unauthentic Indian rabbit chicken, well, rabbit tikka. And the reason it's unauthentic is my friend Raj, who lives next door to me, said he's never seen a rabbit curry. And he is Indian, so yeah, he's Indian. He said I've never seen a rabbit curry, and he's been all over India. So I've made this one, same as you make a chicken tikka or a Bombay potatoes. I put in some potatoes, I put in some lentils. I'm going to put in one chilli. This stuff is, you can get it from everywhere in the world, I think, tikka masala sauce. It's not, this is a really good one made by Lidl, because you also get herbs and spices in the top, which is very different from just your tikka sauce, so it gives it a bit more kick, maybe. So you've cleaned the rabbit, because you have to take it off the bone. There's a lot of small bones in rabbit, so what you've got to do is take it off the bone, which is a time-consuming job. Probably that's maybe another why there's not many rabbit recipes. So that's all I'm going to do, is just add the sauce, and it will turn out brilliant, I should think.